This video covers Morehouse's homework for Monday, November 28th. In the first question, you're being asked to write a multiplication equation that corresponds to the division equation. There's already an example there for you. You know that 10 divided by 5 is 2. The reason this is the case is because 2 groups of 5, or 5 groups of 2, create 10 in total. And so I wrote a multiplication sentence, that matches this division sentence here. You need to do the same thing for question B and question C. What can you multiply that would produce 4.5 or 1/2? Pause this video to answer question 1 and come back for help on question 2. In question 2, you're being asked to record the factors of the given numbers as multiplication sentences and as a list in order from least to greatest. Then, classify each as a prime or a composite number. I defined prime and composite at the bottom. There's already an example in question A, but let's do B together. If my product or number is 10, I know that I can multiply 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. I can list these factors from least to greatest, like 1, 2, 5, 10. I know that this is a composite number, so it needs a C, because there are more than 2 factors. If this were a number where there was only one pair of factors, for example, the only way we can multiply 11 is by 1 times 11, that would be a prime. Go ahead and pause this video to finish question 2 and come back for homework help on 3 and 4. In question 3, you're simply multiplying a fraction by a fraction. You can find the product of 2 fractions by multiplying the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. Remember that you can also simplify fractions if you can divide the top and the bottom by the same thing. In this case, 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2, so we can rewrite our final answer as 2/3. In the last question on tonight's homework, you're simply multiplying a decimal times a whole number. Make sure your place value is correct and that you show all your work. As always, if you have any questions, make sure that you're checking in with Ms. Canez before the end of the week.